Welcome back to SS2 Digital Learning. Today in this class, we are going to know the basic knowledge about the verb. Everybody has an idea about the verb. Do you know what is called verb? Verb is a doing word that you know, but it is not the appropriate definition of a verb. Not only doing word is called verb, but there are so many words that does not work, but we also call them verb. So in a word, what is the real or meaning of the verb? Looks, I have wrote down the definition of the verb. A verb is a kind of words. A verb is a kind of words, means words, every words is also a parts of speech. So a verb is a kind of words or a kind of parts of speech that tells about an action. The first characteristic of a verb is it may be an action or doing that you know. You already know that doing word is called verb. So in a way or in any criteria, we know that doing word is called verb. It is also correct, but without doing, suppose the word that we called verb, sometimes it may not be doing something, though we call it a verb. So which word that does not do something, but we call them verb? So what is the function of those words that does not do something, but we call them verb? Let's see. Being. Being means ki? What is the meaning of being? Now being is comes from to be verb. To be. What is the to be verb? Now you know already that there are some verbs that does not work, or that we do not call them doing word. Suppose the words are am, is, are, was, were, be, been. So where the words comes from? Now the words comes from to be. To be. Suppose an example I given you. I will be a doctor. What's the meaning? Now in future I am going to be a doctor. So to be, we know that there are three forms of the verb: present, past and past participle. So to be is one kind of verb, and its present form is am, is, are, past form is was, were, and past participle form is been. So how many words or how many verbs that we called being verb in English? Now there are 7 verbs. Those verbs that does not work, but we call them verb. That type of verb is called being verb. And next, position. What is the meaning of position? Positions means what is the meaning of position? Positions means belonging, that you have something, that is called position. Suppose you have a pen, that means the pen belongs to you, that in a word the pen is yours, that is called possession. So when you or when we want to show something that is belonging someone, then we use the verb possession verb. So which verb we called possession verb? Now to have verb is called possession verb. When we show something that is belonging to someone, we use the verb have, or we use the word verb have. That is why have is called a possession verb. So if have is the verb, it has also three forms like a verb. So what is the present form of the verb have? The present form of have verb is has have, and past form is had, and past participle form is also had. So how many possession verb in English? Now in English there are three possession verb: has, have and had. Okay? So what do you learn today? Now you learn today that not only doing what is called verb, but there are so many words that we call verb, though they do not does or work something. So what they are? They are called being verb and possession verb. What is the being verb? The being verb is to be verb, means there are 7 verbs that we called being verb: am, is, are, was, were, be, been. Okay? And what is called possession verb? Now in English there are some verbs that shows someone belonging something, the things belongs to someone. In these cases we use the possession verb. So which verb is called possession verb? The verb that we use or that is called possession verb is have. That's present form is has have, and past form had, past participle form is also had. So has, have and had are called possession verb. Okay. So what is the definition of the verb? Now looks at the page. A verb is a kind of words that tells about an action, which tells something about an action or doing something, being and position. Okay, this is the total or actual definition of the verb. So let's see, a verb is a kind of words or parts of speech that tells about an action, being and position. Okay, there are 3 types of verb. Not only doing verb is called verb, but position and being also the part of a verb. Okay, let's we discuss the three types of verb. At first you see doing, you know already or you have an idea about the doing verb. Doing verb means ki the every doing verb, what we do, like play, read, write, draw, sit, stand, walk, run. Every doing word is called verb. That is called doing verb. In a word, every verb but every word that has an accent, that word we called action verb or doing verb. Example, look at the example. I drink milk every day. I drink milk every day. What is the subject of the sentence? In the sentence there is no noun, there is pronoun I. I is subject. Next, drink. I drink something. So what is the verb here? The drink. The drink, in the word drink, can we get some accent from here? Yes, we get an accent. The accent is drink. Just someone drink something, we get the accent. That's why drink is accent verb. I drink what? Milk. Milk is object here. Every day is an adverb. So I want to say that drink is shows us an action. That's why drink is a action or doing verb. Next, see, they wrote a letter yesterday. They wrote a letter yesterday. In the sentence, we see that there is no noun, there is pronoun, and the pronoun is they, and they is subject here. They wrote, wrote, past form of write. Write means someone writes something with a pen. To write, while someone wrote something, is it an action? Is it an action? When someone writes something? Yes. When someone writes something, it expresses an action. That's why wrote is a doing word, doing verb. Okay? And every doing verb is the function of a main verb in a sentence. And without any verb, there is not, or there we do not get a complete sentence. So, you know that another words or another you know something about the verb of doing verb, that every action verb is the main verb of a sentence or function as a main verb of a sentence. Okay? They wrote. So here wrote